The Meghalaya Assembly Committee on Estimates, led by Nongpo legislator Meral Bon's Aim, has expressed its satisfaction with the progress of the construction of the Industrial Training Institute in Sakwang, Maukerwat, Southwest Khasi Hills. Chairman of the Estimates Committee, Meral Bon's Aim, expressed his optimism about the institute becoming fully operational soon. The inspection of the ITI was part of the Estimate Committee's two-day tour across 4 districts of the state, which included West Jaintia Hills District, East Jaintia Hills District, East Khasi Hills District and Southwest Khasi Hills.
Assembly to follow up issues, pending project or the ongoing project, especially with regards to the estimate that has been made, whether there are issues with regard to the escalation of rate or maybe some issues with the estimate, and at the same time to follow up issues that the project has to be completed on time, on stipulated time, and to ensure that the quality of work is to be 100% monitored by the implementing agency.